In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Omni-Channel in Salesforce. This is an incredibly useful feature that helps streamline the way work is allocated and managed within your organization, enhancing efficiency and ensuring that cases and tasks are directed to the right people. Let's jump right in and get started. First, you're going to log into your Salesforce account. This is your gateway to all the tools and functionalities Salesforce offers. Once you're logged in, look towards the top right of your screen, where you'll notice the gear icon. Click on this icon to access the Setup menu. The Setup area is essentially your control center for configuring and customizing how Salesforce works for your organization. Now, using the Quick Find box in the Setup menu, type in Omni-Channel Settings. Here, you'll want to enable the Omni-Channel feature. This is a crucial step as it activates the tool, allowing you to manage work distribution effectively. With Omni-Channel enabled, the next step is to define what kind of service channels you want to incorporate. Return to the Quick Find box and search for Service Channels. Click New, and here you'll be able to specify which objects you want to manage through the Omni-Channel. Common choices might include cases and chats, but you'll want to select the objects most relevant to your business needs. Following the setup of service channels, head back to Quick Find and dive into Routing Configurations. Here, you're going to create a new routing configuration. This part is about specifying your business's priorities and the type of routing that best aligns with your workflow. You'll have the option to set routing using different parameters, ensuring that tasks are handled in the order you find most effective. Continuing in the same vein, jump back to Quick Find and this time search for queues. Set up a new queue, assigning the routing configuration you just created. Here's where you'll decide which agents will be members of this queue. The agents you assign here will be the ones receiving the work items routed through the Omni-Channel. Now it's time to move on to Present Statuses in the Quick Find box. You'll want to add and customize statuses that your agents can select to indicate their availability. This allows your agents to signal when they're ready to take on work items or when they're unavailable, thus managing workflow seamlessly. After that, it's necessary to integrate the Omni-Channel widget into your app. Navigate to the App Manager, select your console app, and then add the Omni-Channel utility item. This integration ensures that agents can easily manage their tasks directly from the Salesforce console. Finally, ensure your agents are equipped to start using Omni-Channel. They will log into the console, select their present status, and begin receiving routed work items. This makes the Omni-Channel live and ready, enhancing how your team handles workflow in Salesforce. And there you have it. With Omni-Channel set up, your Salesforce environment is now optimized for efficient task management and higher productivity. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide helps you streamline your Salesforce workflow.